not even gonna lie to y'all. Like, my hair is thin, right? Like, you can see it. But not one blow dryer ever made my hair, like, this easy to put in a ponytail. I normally have to brush real hard to put in a ponytail. I didn't have to do that this time. So, this company sent me a blow dryer. It's pretty big. The back is the instructions and stuff. When you open the box a little bit, it has a cover like this. Oh, here are the instructions. Oh, this is cute. Not even gonna lie to y'all, I ain't gonna be using this because, well, maybe when I have a curly wig, because I don't want to have that. But we're finna use this. It comes with this nozzle. Let's cut it up. I cut it up.